Meteorological Department has issued a heavy rainfall advisory warning of intense downpour expected from tonight through to Tuesday, with risks of flash floods, lightning strikes, strong winds and property damage. Rainfall exceeding 20 millimeters in the 24 hours is forecast over the Lake Victoria Basin, Rift Valley and highland west of the Rift Valley, gradually spreading to the central and eastern highlands, including Nairobi and Mount Kenya regions. The rains are expected to ease from Wednesday, August 20th. The Met Department hence urged residents in the mentioned regions to remain vigilant for flash floods, particularly in low and riverine areas. Reduced visibility, especially for motorists and aviators, and sudden rise in seasonal rivers, which may appear dry upstream.